All right, time now for a great day of food. If you're tight on time after work, how about an easy meal that you can whip up in minutes?
I like whip up easy meals on the weeknight. So Chef Plum is joining us now to make sesame chicken noodles. Seems like the kids would love that. Hi, Chef.
How are you?
Excellent. You getting ready for the weekend?
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Mohegan Sun Food and Wine Festival this weekend. I am featured. I'm hosting a stage. I'm doing a demo. I'm a celebrity chef dining around. It is the best event of the year. If you're into food, this is not like a spot or anything. It's just such a fun event. You got to come out. It's so fun.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. I used to host them in years past, and it is a lot of fun.
Oh,
All right.
so much fun. But we got to get there first. So how about a quick, easy weeknight meal? I want to start off by showing you guys something here. This is called rice threads or rice sticks, or some people call them glass noodles. They're the easiest thing to use when making a meal. Let me show you what we're going to do. I'm going to take let me move little me out the way here. I'm going to take some hot tap water, okay? So fill a bowl, simple, easy, hot tap water, right? Piece of cake. And all you're going to do is soak these noodles in the hot tap water while you cook the rest of the stuff. And I want to show you here while this bowl fills up what I've got. I've got a little bit of chicken here. I've got some broccoli I chopped up small. I've got some green onions. And then one of the most important things when you're going to make, an Asian style food is I have ginger and I have garlic. Highly recommend use fresh, always. So now I've got my bowl of water. I'm going to open up my rice sticks. And these things are like $2 at the store. They're so cheap, easy to use. So let me just break off some of these. I'll break them up here. I'll spill them all over the floor. And I'm just going to put those right in that hot water. And what happens is they start to absorb that water. Now, while they're doing that, let me show you what we're going to do. I'm going to bring over my little hot plate cooker here so you guys can all see. Let me get that on. Got my pan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a touch of sesame oil in this pan, okay? That was a little bit more than a touch because the top's broken. That's okay. Now, I'm going to take this chicken I have here and put this right in here. So this is one chicken breast. I try to figure one chicken breast per person. You don't have to go any more than that. That's plenty because the noodles take up a lot. Or, one chicken breast for two people if it's big. And I'm going to go ahead and throw this broccoli in there too. And what's going to happen is these guys are going to all steam and get nice and happy in here and start to cook. And while this is happening, I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt and a little bit of black pepper to this. Now, when you're cooking this kind of food, you don't want to add a ton of salt because you're going to use soy sauce. And soy sauce is pretty salty to begin with. So here we are. Add a little bit of black pepper in there. Always use fresh ground black pepper. It tastes better for sure. Let's get this moving around. And look at this. This already smells amazing. And as you see, while we're doing this, those glass noodles we're working on right here are still soaking up that water. That's what we want. It takes about 3 minutes or so for it to fully soak in. So now we've got this going here. I'm going to add a little bit of ginger and garlic to it, right in the pan. Get it moving around. There we go. And the chicken, I cut it small so it cooks pretty quickly, which is what we want here. And now what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of steam. That's going to help things cook. So I'm going to take some of this water from my glass noodles and put it right in there. It's going to create that steam and help that chicken cook a little faster. There we are. And now we got to build our sauce in this pan. So what I'm going to do, I have some soy sauce. I'm going to pour in about a half a cup of soy sauce, just like this. Third of a cup, half a cup, whatever you like. Beautiful. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of our delicious sriracha sauce. Now, sriracha sauce, not super spicy, but very delicious. Put it right in there. If you want it spicier, you can add a little bit more. I like to top it off with a little bit of sesame seeds. I'm going to let this just hang out for a few minutes, just in the pan. Just let this kind of go for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds more. I'm telling you, that chicken cooks so fast in here because it's got that nice hot pan. And you got to always start with that hot pan. It's so important. And now, to finish this guy off, I like to add a touch of honey to it. Just a little touch of honey, like this, right in there. And then we're going to take those noodles that have been soaking. Here we go. I'm pulling them out of the bowl. Pop them in there. That's good. I'm just getting a little toss around here. I'll use my tongs so I don't make a big mess. Awesome. Now, I like the noodles to still have a tiny little crunch to them. I think it adds a little extra dimension to it. The flavor is everything when it comes to this. I'm going to finish this off by taking these noodles out, put them on my plate. That little sauce is delicious. Don't be afraid of that. And put this guy right on top of here. And look at this. Come on. Are you kidding me? What an easy, easy meal. Make sure you get that broccoli. Got to have some greens in there. Got to have those greens. Just like that. Put some of that sauce right on top.
Looks good,
Trying to
Chefy.
burn my hands on a burner.
Faster than takeout.
And little green onions.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Delish. Delish. All right. Thanks, Chef.
See you this weekend.
See you guys later.